Hello, what's up guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are back with another market update session. Today we will analyze Bitcoin on 4-hour time frame, and like always I will tell you what am I expecting, and I will give you one side prediction again. On my previous market update session, Bitcoin was around this area when we told you it gonna bounce and it will hit this red box. Okay, so after that I told you that it will drop and it will hit again this red box and it will drop from this zone. Okay, so our charts are available on our Telegram channel, and as well our previous market update session on YouTube is proof. If you want to confirm this move, all we had told you guys all this move on YouTube 2 to 3 days ago, and our charts are available on our Telegram channel as well if you want to confirm this move. Okay, so today we'll also analyze Bitcoin on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so BTC is currently trading around 19,500 while I am recording the video. So currently we are still above this protected low, as I have been telling you guys that as far price is above 18,200 we will find try to find long opportunities. It's okay. So currently we have an SND. This zone is very important for Bitcoin, that is 19,200. So if price drops till this zone, we will find shift in structure and we will confirm the move. Then we can see a bounce in price from this area, targeting this area and targeting this area. Okay, so the update is quite clear today. What retailers are seeing, they are basically trading this double top pattern, which is basically a bearish pattern. They are considering this to be the neckline, and the neckline just broke out, and then they would be thinking of this move and move down towards these areas, whatsoever the target of this double top is. But that's not the way to trade this. Okay, we have to see institutionally wise where liquidity is and where order flow basically is. So currently we can see liquidity on volume profile is at these zones and at this area. This is basically our long term target for the month of August, sorry, for the month of October. So the update is quite clear. If Bitcoin is above 19,200, we're gonna find long opportunities in market. Going long on Bitcoin for now is not a good RR. Okay, basically we don't have any confirmation if we go long on Bitcoin for now. Maybe I'm wrong, but we will wait for the test of 19,200 to go long on Bitcoin. Okay, so basically apart from this, if I show you my VIP Discord where we traded lots of trades with my VIPs, this was leaner trade. We made 60% profit in this trade with 60x leverage, with 20x leverage. This was our Bitcoin, was our BNB swing trade. This trade gave us almost 200% profit with 20x till now. Okay, this was our highs in USDT pair. This was our spot trade and it gave us 20% non-leverage profit. Our BNB trade, our CHR trade. So this week was quite good for me, for my VIPs. We traded lots of moves with my VIPs, and this all is the screenshots of their PNLs. You can confirm it. We also traded CHZ that gave us more than 100% profit with just 20x leverage. Okay, apart from this, this is my TA course section where we teach them, my VIPs, also about technical analysis and all those stuff who want to learn. Okay, so this is all about my VIP. If you want to join me on VIP, you can just DM me on Telegram or Twitter. I will let you know what's the criteria to join me on Discord. Okay, on my VIP. So the idea is still quite clear. This is protected low. Price whensoever is above this, we will find long opportunities. This is basically 19,200 till 19,300. So if price reaches this zone, we will find some long opportunities, and we will tell you when to long on our Telegram and Twitter as well. So this is all about today's market update session. It's quite clear, and I told you lots of time that this is the zone where we have to wait for BTC, and we will find long opportunities from this area, because retailers are short for now. The market manipulators gonna trap them because they are trading this double top pattern. So they might be trapped till this zone and then move up to liquidate all those early shorts. Okay, so still liquidity lies above this area, 20,500. Liquidity lies at 21k and liquidity lies 22k. But when too long, when BTC is around this area, 19,200 to 19,300. We will tell you the complete signal on our Telegram and Twitter, so make sure to follow us there. So that's enough for today, guys. This is all that I am thinking about Bitcoin for now. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals, and make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.